This podcast is for FMCG manufacturers manufacturing everything from ready-to-eat meals to skincare and beverages. In such high-speed environments, even a small lapse, like skipped SOPs, outdated procedures, or poor change handling, can cause recalls, compliance issues, and loss of customer trust. That's why industry leaders trust QualityPro, an advanced quality management software built for FMCG needs. It digitises SOPs to ensure every process is followed consistently, manages change control effectively with real-time approvals and traceability, tracks inspections, flags non-conformances, and ensures timely corrective actions. Keeps you audit-ready with FSSAI, ISO, and FDA compliance tools. From raw material checks to product release, QualityPro gives you full control over quality, safety, and process integrity. So if you're in FMCG, don't just move fast, move smart with QualityPro